All right, you guys, I'm just going to take a quick peek at the weekly lesson 3, which is the looking at the lyrics to a video and responding to them. So we do this in class on Tuesdays. You can look at Cami here, and you can see this is on text box right now, and that allows me to create a text box to type in. And la gente means the people, so I just type in here the people. And then if I want to switch over to a stylus, I head over here. Let's take a look. You can't see because my camera's in the way. Right there's a drawing, and I can write from Argentina to right here, which is the country of Argentina. So on this activity, you're going to draw a line from each of the countries to the countries on the map. When you're done, you click on this submit button, and it will submit your worksheet into me. So there you go. There's your instructions for this particular assignment. Good luck.